This is the best hair dryer I have ever had. It dries my hair in like 4 minutes. I'll even time it again. I've shared it before. I'm going to share it again because it's getting ready to go on the biggest sale of the year because of Black Friday coming up. If you are looking for the best hair dryer, the Tideway, it is the best. So let's check it out. So give me a second here. All right, $5.58. $6.02. I think it was specifically 6:02:19. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Just like this. But yeah. Best hair dryer ever. Tideway Titanium. I have it linked below. Biggest sale of the year. You will not regret this purchase.